Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming eligibility. You must be relieved from work and moving for personal reasons. Immediately set your electronic logging device to Personal Conveyance and enter a concise note stating origin and purpose. Make sure the vehicle carries no for-hire freight and that company policies or 100 air mile exceptions do not prohibit PC. This step protects your hours of service record and prevents misclassification, so act now and document the status before you drive. Once you are moving, keep the ELD set to PC and watch the GPS trace for accuracy. Inspectors will look for consistent routing. Do not perform work-related tasks, make commercial pickups, or unload freight while in personal conveyance. Instead, drive directly to the personal destination and gather supporting evidence like fuel receipts, parking photos, and timestamps to corroborate the trip. If distance or company limits apply, make sure your route and timing stay within those boundaries to avoid violations. When you finish the personal movement, immediately change your duty status from personal conveyance to the appropriate on-duty or sleeper status and add a short end note. Save all supporting documents and send copies to dispatch if your carrier requires them. If the ELD rejects the PC entry or shows gaps, annotate the record with the why and what. Keep contemporaneous paper evidence and photos, and notify operations. This troubleshooting preserves compliance and prevents unjustified.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.